Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and for those of you that know, we're in the middle of 2026 and Tesla has discontinued the Model S and the Model X. So go out there and purchase one so that we can go ahead and wrap it for you while we can, just like we did to this one. Check out this 2026 Model S Plaid that we just finished wrapping in a new color from our friends at Tech. Take a look at satin, liquid, metallic, azure blue. This is absolutely a stunning shade of blue. And even though blue is not necessarily my favorite color, I think they always look really good on a Model S or a Model X. It lends itself to it, and this color stands out like no other. This satin liquid metallic film looks really good in different shades of light. When the sun hits it, when it's shady, it's constantly changing. Very special. Well done to our friends at Tech. And we meticulously wrapped the complete exterior, which started off to be diamond black from Tesla, with this film. But there are some areas that we decided not to wrap. And I want to go over those with you and share with you why, so that you can go ahead and achieve the best looking wrap on your Model S. So the Plaid now has this really cool gloss black front lower apron that is sportier than a non-Plaid version. And we decided to go ahead and leave that gloss black because that ties in perfectly with the beautiful gloss black window trim, door handles, side mirrors. And then as you move around to the back, my favorite, the Model S Plaid has a whole new rear diffuser, and it's really good looking, super sporty. We left that gloss black, but we wrapped the rest of the panels, as you can see, providing this customer not only a color change, but also protecting the paint from underneath, because this is PPF. Now, the customer did not stop there. A little bit of light window tint, as you can see, to reduce the heat, cool off the interior on those hot days, protect his skin and the interior with the 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays that 3M ceramic IR provides us. And then take a look at these really cool, fully forged T-sportline 19-inch TS118 18-spoke wheels that we installed using his factory Continental 19-inch tires. Now, typically when you have a Plaid, customers want the 21-inch wheel and tire setup, either from Tesla or from us. Or, we do offer a beautiful 20-inch setup, which is a nice in-between, 19 and 20. This customer wanted to keep it 19, but he wanted a really strong, lightweight, fully forged wheel, finished in gloss black to tie in with the rest of the trim, show off these beautiful, bright performance brake calipers from Tesla to complete the exterior look. When we were all done, we took it even one step further. And this is something that we highly recommend, whether you're purchasing wrap from one of the many companies that we offer, or even T-Max, our favorite. Take the extra step and apply T-Max ceramic coatings to the wrap. And when you do that, it will go ahead and help seal in the wrap color, help prevent wrap degradation, provide for much easier cleanup and lower maintenance for many years to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our content, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.